Remember when you could count on Southwest Airlines for three things? Peanuts, the chance to pick your own seat, and free bags? Well, hold on to your peanuts, folks, because things are changing in the airline industry. Southwest, known for its iconic bags fly free policy, is saying goodbye to an era. That's right, starting May 28, 2025, you'll need to factor in the cost of checked bags when flying Southwest. For years, Southwest stood out from the competition by offering passengers the opportunity to check 2 bags without paying a dime. This customer-friendly approach was a major draw for travelers, making Southwest a popular choice for family vacations, business trips, and everything in between. But now, the airline that once bucked the trend of baggage fees has joined the ranks of its competitors. This news has sent shockwaves through the travel world, leaving many wondering what prompted this major shift. For loyal Southwest customers, the change might feel like a punch to the gut. But before we grab our pitchforks, let's unpack the details of this new baggage policy and try to understand the reasoning behind it. So, how much will it cost to check your bags on Southwest now? The good news is, it's not a flat fee for everyone. The airline has introduced a tiered pricing system, with fees varying depending on your loyalty status and fare type. Here's a breakdown. Free checked bags, Southwest Rapid Rewards A-List. Preferred members can still check 2 bags for free. Business Select Fare passengers also enjoy this perk. A-List members get 1 free checked bag. Credit card perks. If you're a Rapid Rewards credit card member, you'll receive credit for 1 checked bag. This means you won't have to pay the fee as long as you book your flight using your card. Now let's talk about everyone else. For those who don't fall into the previous categories, get ready to open your wallets. Checking your first bag will cost you, and the second bag will cost even more. The exact amount hasn't been disclosed yet, but we'll be sure to update you with the full disclosure when it is made available. As you can see, Southwest is trying to soften the blow by offering free checked bags to its most loyal customers. This strategy aims to reward frequent flyers and incentivize travelers to climb the loyalty program ladder. However, for the average traveler, the new baggage fees could add a significant chunk of change to the overall cost of flying. Southwest's decision to implement baggage fees didn't come out of the blue. The airline industry has been grappling with rising fuel costs, increased competition, and a changing travel landscape. In a recent statement, Southwest CEO Bob Jordan explained that the move was necessary to meet customer needs, attract new segments, and return to expected profitability levels. Let's break down those reasons a bit further. First, meeting customer needs doesn't necessarily mean giving them everything they want for free. It also means providing a sustainable business model that can continue to offer competitive fares and a reliable travel experience. Second, attracting new segments could involve appealing to budget-conscious travelers who are willing to sacrifice free checked bags for lower base fares. Finally, returning to expected profitability levels is crucial for any business, especially in the volatile airline industry. By implementing baggage fees, Southwest can generate additional revenue that can be reinvested in improving its services, upgrading its fleet, or simply bolstering its bottom line. While the decision might not be popular with everyone, it's clear that Southwest is trying to adapt to the evolving realities of the airline business. More than just bags are changing at Southwest. The airline is rolling out a series of updates designed to enhance its services, reward loyalty, and yes, generate more revenue. So here's a rundown of what's new. First up, loyalty program adjustments. As we briefly monotoned before, Southwest is tweaking its Rapid Rewards program. The airline is offering more points for business select fares and fewer for lower-tier tickets. This move aims to incentivize travelers to spend more on premium fares. Next, for the budget-conscious traveler, Southwest is introducing a basic fare that will likely come with even more restrictions, like no seat selection until check-in. And remember when open seating was a Southwest trademark? Well, those days are fading into the sunset. The airline is expanding its assigned seating options and offering extra legroom for a fee, allowing passengers to customize their travel experience. In a bid to reach a wider audience, Southwest is making its flights available on online travel agencies like Expedia. This move could attract new customers who prefer to book through third-party platforms. However, one of the perks of flying Southwest used to be the flexibility of their flight credits. But now, the airline is tightening the reins on these credits, requiring passengers to use them within 1 year of purchase. These changes, combined with the baggage fees, paint a picture of a changing Southwest Airlines. The airline that once prided itself on simplicity and affordability is embracing a more complex and à la carte approach. While some travelers might welcome the added options and flexibility, others might lament the loss of what made Southwest unique. The impact of Southwest's new baggage policy will be felt acutely in New Orleans. As the largest carrier at Louis Armstrong New Orleans International Airport, Southwest plays a vital role in connecting the city to destinations across the United States. The new baggage fees could deter or demotivate some travelers from choosing Southwest, potentially affecting tourism and business travel to the Big Easy. Imagine this: families heading to New Orleans for a Mardi Gras celebration, musicians hauling instruments to Jazz Fest, or business travelers attending conferences with luggage full of presentation materials. These travelers will now need to factor in the added cost of checked bags when flying Southwest. This could make other passenger airlines, particularly those that still offer free checked bags, more appealing. The new policy could also have ripple effects on the local economy. If fewer travelers choose to fly Southwest due to the baggage fees, it could lead to decreased demand for hotels, restaurants, and other tourism-related businesses. The full impact remains to be seen, but it's clear that New Orleans travelers, like those in other cities served by Southwest, will need to adjust to this new reality. To understand the magnitude of Southwest's shift, it's helpful to take a trip down memory lane. The airline has long positioned itself as the champion of the people, offering a refreshing alternative to the nickel and diming tactics of its competitors. Their original brand, no change fees, bags fly free, and flight credits don't expire were more than just slogans for Southwest. They were core tenets of its brand identity. For decades, Southwest's bags fly free policy was a major differentiator in the airline industry. It was a key part of the airline's appeal, attracting budget-conscious travelers and families who appreciated the transparent pricing. As recently as September 2024, Southwest executives publicly stated that they had no plans to implement baggage fees, emphasizing the policy's role in customer loyalty and brand differentiation. But the winds of change began to blow as the airline industry experienced turbulence. The introduction of paid extra legroom options and the end of open seating signaled a shift in Southwest's strategy. These moves, while subtle, hinted at a willingness to embrace revenue-generating tactics that were once considered anathema to the Southwest way. The baggage fees, then, represent the culmination of this gradual but significant shift in the airline's approach. Southwest's decision to implement baggage fees raises questions about the future of the airline and its relationship with its customers. Will loyal Southwest flyers stick with the airline despite the added costs? Or will they be lured away by competitors offering more attractive baggage policies? Only time will tell how these changes will affect Southwest's bottom line and its reputation among travelers. Some industry experts believe that the baggage fees could alienate Southwest's customer base, leading to a decline in passenger traffic and brand loyalty. Others argue that the airline's loyal following, combined with its competitive fares and continued focus on operational efficiency, will be enough to weather the storm. The coming months will be crucial for Southwest as it navigates this new chapter in its history. One thing is certain: the airline industry is constantly evolving, and Southwest is not immune to the forces shaping the future of air travel. Whether the decision to implement baggage fees will prove to be a strategic masterstroke or a misstep remains to be seen. But one thing is for sure: the days of peanuts and free bags are officially over. I hope you found some value in this video. Please make sure you know the new rules and changes so you can be prepared for your next trip. And hey, why not download my free ebook, Top 5 Travel Scenarios and How to Solve Them? You'll get some cool tips that could save your next trip from disaster. And stay tuned because a full 25 travel scenario guide is coming soon. Please take a few minutes to check out the links in the description. Anything you purchase will help to support the channel. Thanks in advance for doing so. And don't forget to visit the YouTube shopping area below the video. I value your support. Please share this video with your friends and family. This is your channel host Cheryl saying until next time. Safe travels. And please don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell for more travel updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.